need another story, something to get off my chest. My life gets kinda boring, need something that I can confess. Till on my sleeves I stain red from all the truth that I've said. Come by it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me weak, no, I've been on the brink. So just paint the picture of the perfect place, and it got it better than